Welcome back to MVP Auto. Today, we have something truly special, a custom-built Volvo XC60 Coupe Edition. This is not your typical XC60, it's been completely reimagined with an aggressive, sporty design, turning a luxury SUV into a performance-inspired beast. From the bodywork to the interior, every detail has been fine-tuned for a bold and futuristic look. Let's take a deep dive into this stunning transformation. Right from the rear, you can see how drastically different this XC60 looks. The standard boxy SUV silhouette is gone, replaced by a sloping coupe-style roofline that gives it a sleek, aerodynamic stance. The taillights have been redesigned with a continuous LED strip, stretching across the width of the car, adding to its futuristic appeal. And check out that carbon fiber rear diffuser. It's massive and gives the car an aggressive, track-ready presence. The quad exhaust tips further enhance the sporty appeal, hinting at some serious performance upgrades. Moving along the side, the widened fenders give it a muscular look, making the XC60 appear lower and wider. The blacked-out window trim and carbon fiber accents blend perfectly with the pearl white paint, creating a sharp contrast that screams high performance. The large, multi-spoke alloy wheels wrapped in low-profile tires complete the aggressive stance. Now, let's open the doors and step inside. The interior is just as impressive as the exterior. It features a luxurious two-tone combination of premium beige and black leather, with contrast stitching that adds an extra touch of sophistication. The ambient lighting throughout the cabin sets the perfect mood, giving it a futuristic yet comfortable vibe. The redesigned center console and digital instrument cluster bring advanced tech to the driving experience, making sure this isn't just a looker but also a highly functional daily driver. One of the best things about this build is how it blends sportiness with Volvo's signature elegance. You still get a refined driving experience, but now with a much bolder, more aggressive personality. It's the perfect balance for someone who wants the practicality of an SUV but the style of a performance coupe. So, what do you think of this custom Volvo XC60 Coupe Edition? Should Volvo consider making an official coupe version of the XC60 in the future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this build, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insane car content. We'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more automotive masterpieces.